Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you guys a quick ombre lip tutorial. I know I don't do this often on my channel, but I was loving this tutorial so much and I was just going to share it on my Instagram page, but I thought to share it on here for you guys as well. Alright, so I'm going to leave everything I'll be using on the lips, all the product, the lip pencil, the matte lipstick and the lip gloss. I'm going to leave them in my description box, so do check that out, and I'll also drop a website that you can shop this product as well. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe below if you haven't subscribed already, and if you're subscribed, ensure that you turn on post notifications so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And yeah, share this video with somebody, okay? And I'll also be in the comment section. I would love to know your thoughts about this lip tutorial, if you learned something, if you want to see more more lip tutorials on this channel. And yeah, just drop your comments. I would love to read them as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.